Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to slow down videos using the Olive video editor. Let's just drag in a file and drag it to a timeline. And let's take a close look at it. We got a guy skateboarding, jumping over a table, perfect moment for a slowdown, and then he's driving past, and we have two vocals. A groan and a ow! So let's see how the slow-mo will affect the voice. First of all, we're gonna try to slow down the whole video. Let's just right-click here on the clip and go to speed duration. And here we have speed, frame rate, duration. We can change either of these and the others will recalculate. What's going here? Duration is going weird. Anyways, we want it to be slower, so we're gonna set a speed lower than 100%. Let's set it to, well, let's just go for 50%. And the frame rate is halved and the duration is increasing. Let's not bother with these and let's just press OK for now. How does this look and sound? Well, I love the sounds there. Let's actually go to speed duration again and now just enable maintain audio pitch and see how that helps. Alright, that is seriously weird. I don't think we can actually preserve the pitch at values like 50%. Let's try 75, maybe that'll be better. Maintain audio pitch is still enabled. This will be only 1/3 slower. Let's listen in. Better for the voices, but the noise of the skateboard is really weird. Has some kind of Doppler effect. Really unpleasant. So let's go back to speed duration and maybe, I don't know, 90%. Okay. Alright, so this is more acceptable. Right, if you do have voice and background audio on different tracks, you might want to use maintain audio pitch for the voice track, but not for the background noise stuff. So let's just remove that, set it to 85 and just listen to how it sounds. Whatever. So let's see how crazy we can get. Let's set speed duration to 25%. And maybe speed up a little. Whoa. Wow. So unfortunately, as you can see, it's frame, 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 frame. There is no frame blending option yet in Olive. It sure would be nice for slow-mo effects. But now you get this cartoon style, I guess. 6 frames per second currently in a 24 frames video. We can also go reverse with this. Let's go back to 50%, reverse, and OK. What fun. But this is not really what this is about, so let's go back to speed duration, non-reverse, no maintain audio pitch. Alright, so there's this option, ripple changes. That might be interesting. And also perhaps you don't want to slow down the entire video. Let's actually go back to speed duration, set it back to 100%, just normalize everything. If anything is weird, just delete the clip with the delete key on the keyboard, drag it back in. And then let's start again. I'm going to zoom in a little with control mouse wheel and we're going to just slow down part of the video. So let's just slow down the part where he's actually in the air. I'm going to cut the video here or split it with control K. And let's see, the moment he lands, I want it to speed up again. Alright, this is good. Yeah, this. Bam. Control K. So now we're going to right click this part only. And we're going to speed duration set to 50%. And what we want now, if we press OK, it will speed up, but it will also cut off the 100% extra duration. So the double duration that we should get is hidden behind this, so it goes away. Let's see how this looks like. Yeah, you see this jump? Makes no sense. So let me just undo that. Now it's back to the normal speed. You can see it by the audio track. And now let's try that again. Speed duration, 50%. And what we want is ripple changes. Then it just pushes all the other clips to the right or to the left if you speed up. Let's take a look. So that was pretty cool. Let's go again. And slow-mo. And back. And we can go higher with that. Let's go to 25% this time. And again, ripple change, don't forget to enable that. And jump. Nice. So if I just restore all this, we can also move this out of the way and just right-click, speed duration, and set it to 33%. And if we now don't ripple change, it will just push into this empty space. So we can see what actually happens when we don't have a clip right next to it. And now we can just right-click, ripple, delete empty space here. So that's pretty much the same effect. Then you don't have to set that checkbox. Let us take a closer look at the issue of frame sampling not being present. Let's just zoom in and let's slow this down, in this case to 50%. And if we look at the preview, and I use arrow keys to go frame by frame, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, we can see that frames are just duplicated at 50% speed. And there is no setting to fix that. However, we can manually add blending. I'm just gonna Alt drag this up, which duplicates it on another track. Now I'm going to displace this clip by 1 frame. For that, let's just zoom in here and drag this. Click and drag until it says +1. Okay, let's zoom out again. I'm gonna disable snapping, that should help. Click and drag. There we go, 1 frame, plus 0.0000001. Alright, but now this track blocks the one below, so we're gonna reduce opacity to 50 at 50% speed. And now, if we go frame by frame, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's go a bit further until the action starts. Here we go, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It blends frames. We can even see it live. So that might be an effect you would prefer over just frame reuse. Now we can try to do this with... Now if we set speed to 25%, it's pretty easy to compensate. You just do this, and here as well. 25%. You set opacity to 25%. And then you need to create 2 more tracks. Alt drag, zoom in. Do not resize, but move by 2 frames now. And this one by 3 frames. Alright, let's just zoom in over here and take a look. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks weird. The render might look better. Well, this is again an effect that you might want to have. Actually, you might want to match the audio to the video that comes first, so you would zoom in at the end and move this to match the topmost layer, the topmost track. Oh, I accidentally moved that one as well. Control L to, Control L to unlink these and move that one back. Alright, so now it sounds like the topmost layer, track I mean. And if you do this with 33%, or let's see, I think 33.3, yeah, we cannot even go in second digits. So again, 33.3, this one stays. We're gonna set the speed of these. Let's actually select them at the same time, the audio as well. Right click, speed duration, 33.3. Oh, here we can go free. Sure, why not? Gonna check the front. Gonna match the audio to the topmost video track, and everything looks correct. Gonna check the end. Everything looks correct. Let's check it out. 1, 2, wait, 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yep. As long as you can manually calculate the numbers needed and create the amount of tracks needed for this effect, you can manually add a blend mode for slow-mo. Hope this is useful. Right, so this is how you slow down a whole video or part of a video. All you gotta do now is go to File, Export, and set quality to 20 in my recommendation. Make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel to support it, and I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, ciao, and check out my other tutorials.